Hello everyone, first lesson, introducing yourself for beginners. I'm Dr. Bahashpesha. Let's start. The objective of the lessons, you will be able to introduce yourself confidently, providing relevant information about your background, interests, and experiences. Task 1. I need you to write the following question on your copybook. First, what is the name of the person speaking? How old is Sarah? Does Sarah live in a big city? What is Sarah's profession? And what are the activities Sarah enjoys in her free time? Task 2. I need you to listen carefully and answer the question.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 25 years old. I live in a small town. I work as a teacher at a local elementary school. In my free time, I enjoy reading books and going for long walks in the park. I also like to try out new recipes and bake delicious treats. I have a pet cat named Whiskers, who keeps me company. I am excited to join this beginners group and meet new people who share similar interests. I hope to learn and grow together with all of you. Please feel free to ask me any questions or share your own experiences. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you better.
For task 3 now, I want you to answer the following questions. Of course, the information you are going to provide is going to be about you. What is your name? How old are you? Where do you live? What is your profession or job? What are the activities you enjoy in your free time? Now, for sure, this lesson is not going to succeed if you are not going to share the answers with the audience. So this is the idea behind the lesson. I want you to try to answer the questions and share this whether on my YouTube channel as a comment or also on my Facebook page. The idea we want to make these series of lessons really fun. So good luck. See you inshallah on my next video. Goodbye.